In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print charts from MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, being able to print charts can be a helpful way to keep track of trends, analyze, and share your insights with others. It's a straightforward process, but let me guide you through it step by step to make sure you get it just right. Let's start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once you've done that, you'll want to navigate to the specific chart that you're interested in printing. Take your time to find the exact chart you wish to use. You might want to analyze it one last time on screen before proceeding, which ensures that all the data you need is visible and up to date. Now that you have your chosen chart open and ready, let's move forward to the printing process. This step is quite simple. You'll need to locate the File option in the top left corner of the MetaTrader 5 interface. Clicking on the File menu will reveal a drop-down list of options. Among these, you'll find the Print option, which is usually near the top of this list. Go ahead and click on Print. Once you select Print, a new window with print settings will appear. This is where you can fine-tune your printing preferences. Ensure your printer is correctly selected, and if necessary, you can select whether you want to print in color or black and white. Adjust any page layout settings to suit your specific needs, such as orientation and paper size, depending on how you prefer to view or present your printed chart. Before finalizing the print command, take a moment to preview your chart. Many systems offer a print preview feature, which allows you to see how your chart will look once printed. This is a great way to catch any discrepancies or issues with the layout, so make sure everything appears as you'd expect. If everything looks good in the preview, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Print button to initiate the process. Your printer should begin to print your chart shortly. Depending on your printer model, this might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. And there you go, you've successfully printed a chart from MetaTrader 5. This feature is particularly handy for those who prefer to analyze data away from their screens, or for those who wish to share their analyses in meetings or presentations. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and remember, printing charts can be an invaluable tool in your trading strategy arsenal. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.